this is Caroline, and I wanted to share some tips and tricks of how to survive or how to navigate your way through buffets, potlucks, feast, or any all-you-can-eat. All-you-can-eat shrimp, all-you-can-eat chicken wings, all-you-can-eat sushi, all-you-can-eat pasta, all-you-can-eat lobster, all-you-can-eat crab fries, all-you-can-eat a whole bunch of stuff. Tip number 1. If you're going to attend any of these type of places, go out and do some type of workout. Go for a walk for 30 minutes. Or when you attend these functions, park at the farthest place possible. Get some type of workout in. Working out before you attend these functions will help eliminate some guilt if you do happen to overeat. Tip number 2, do not go hungry. I know I am speaking from my own experience. If I know I'm going to a buffet, I'm going to skip breakfast. I'm going to skip my morning snack. I'm going right in there. But that is the worst thing possible because you're going to overeat and overindulge yourself at these type of functions. Eat a piece of fruit. Eat some vegetables. Eat something that's low calorie but yet still filling so that you don't go in there starving. Tip 3B, always have something in your hand, any type of beverage. Remember, these are social settings. People are going to notice that you don't have a plate of food and will constantly invite you to the food table. This is an easy way for you to use this as an excuse to say, no, I'm just having a drink right now. Remember, take this time to socialize. That's what you're really there for. Tip number 4, and I think this is one of the most vital tips. Use a smaller plate. Use the salad plate. Use the dessert plate. It is an illusion that we use for our eyes. When you're at these type of settings, a fuller small plate gives you the illusion that you're eating a lot of food. You automatically feel a lot more satisfied. While everyone is going back for their seconds, you will be on your first round. This helps balance out socializing, eating, and catching yourself from overeating. While you are on your first round, go through and look at each item in the buffet table or on the dinner table. Pick out only the items you really want to eat. There's no sense in filling your plate with foods you really don't like. Remember, it's more important to have a small quantity of foods that you really enjoy versus a whole plate full of foods that you really don't like. Now, if you do still feel hungry, you will be on your second round while other people are on their third round, and a lot of times people have retired from eating, so they're all socializing at that time. If you're going back there, pick only the few items that you really enjoyed. Savor each bite. Enjoy it. Make these type of events more about socializing and enjoying your time. Don't make it about the food. Enjoy yourself and be kind. I hope these tips and tricks are helpful to you. Have a good one. Bye. Excess of food. As a serving